What a beautiful place. I think this is a paradise. This is seriously a paradise, and you can understand to get into a paradise you need to go through a lot of hardship, and this is one of them.
One world, one ride.
Hey, good morning, guys. This is Debashish. So this is the bike wash happening. Quite a clean job, and this is what had happened. DJ का बाइक अभी भी साफ होने का बाकी है. And yes, we are staying back because there's a problem in Senapati district, which is near Imphal. Between Kohima and Imphal, there is a district called Senapati, and they have some issues. They have some band kind of a thing. So we don't want to take any chances. The band is gonna get over at 6 o'clock in the evening, but then that time the sun will be down and we don't want to ride in the dark. So we are avoiding riding in the dark. So till that time we'll enjoy the place. And we have a party tonight in Kohima, this hotel. Lovely place. Very enjoy. Till then, enjoy the bike wash. So me and DJ are gonna go into a musical night. DJ is already in and I'm also gonna walk in right now.
I'm trapped in your memory. I'm left awake by this mystery. When I close my eyes, I see your face. 'Cause it's the wildest thing I ever had. I never fell in love like this before. You always give you my soul. I wanna lay in your arms and share my dreams with you. Baby, can you hold on to my heart and kiss me and search my soul, and you will find that my love is real and true.
Guys, with me is Nagaland's famous singer, which you have seen.
Yeah.
He sings very well. Trust me, and I love Naga people. Can you tell me more about your band?
My name is Alobo Naga, and just go Google ALOBONAGA and you find my music there. Bye.
And please do check out his music. He is an awesome singer.
Thank you.
And thank you very much. Okay, so we had a lovely time on the concert, and trust me guys, I love people of Nagaland. They're so humble, so nice. Come here, understand the hospitality of Nagaland. They're such wonderful people. So beautiful place. I think all the bikers, I would request, just come to Nagaland and enjoy. Hey, good morning, guys. This is Debashish. Today we're gonna ride to Imphal. The distance is around 145 kilometers, but the Google says it's 5 hours, 5.5 hours. Because there are a lot of twisties. बारिश भी start हो रहा है. Anyways, but yeah, enjoy the journey. I hope the roads are better, not what we had expected while coming to Kohima. There were virtually no roads. But yes, the bikes are looking clean. इतना भी clean नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन चलता है. Well, without pressure fork, it's not going to be that clean, but still, we managed to take off a lot of muck. So, bye. Okay, so it's 6 o'clock and we are off to Imphal. As you can see, the roads are pretty bad here also. You're virtually saddling. No wonder 5 घंटा बता रहा था Google. Landslide, and this is what happens. So this is the place where the Hornbill Festival is held. We have to go up, and the Hornbill Festival site is there. So just for you guys who would like to attend the Hornbill Festival, yes, it is in Kohima, and it is around December or something like that. Bikers who want to come on a bike, hell yeah, it's a hell of a ride. Please make sure that you get a adventure bike, because हाँ बुलेट चल जाएगी, कितना चलेगी मालूम नहीं, लेकिन चल जाएगी. But then definitely get an adventure bike, because these roads are all meant for adventure bikes. I sometimes wonder how did I manage to get my Harley here, but then still that time I believe the roads were quite better, much better. Okay, so we are on our way to Imphal, and the climate is superb, just superb. The road conditions are not that good, but the climate is, I should tell you, what a beautiful place. I think this is a paradise. This is seriously a paradise, and you can understand, to get into a paradise you need to go through a lot of hardship, and this is one of them. Hardship, the struggle is the roads. The government of India is doing their best. They are planning to put up a 4-lane highway. The work is going on. Till Kohima they have at least, dug up. This is the reason we had to struggle. But yeah, this is also gonna become 4-lane pretty soon.
Their target is to complete the 4-lane up to April 2018. But
Yeah.
it may be a little bit late. Up to end of the 2018, they will be complete 4-lane road. So
Hopefully, while we come back, we get some decent roads. That's it. Enjoy the view. Okay, so we have reached Senapati district. This is the place where, they had declared Bandh. From here onwards, there was the Bandh till Imphal. I don't know what was the reason for the Bandh, but yeah. So this is the reason we couldn't come yesterday. But I think the situation is quite well. So by the way, guys, this is Senapati district. यार सड़क ढूंढना पड़ रहा है यार। हट जा खड्डों में से, तुम सड़क चुन लो, सड़क। हट जाओ। बढ़िया है। इधर तो बैठने का चांस ही नहीं है, हैं?
हाँ
थोड़ा बैठो नहीं कि खड़ा कर देता है यार रास्ता यार। मेरा तो ऐसा ना ऐसे 5 किलो उतर गया होगा यार 100%।
हाँ बेस्ट, अभी तो ठीक दिख रहा है।
हाँ अभी कितना देर तक ठीक दिखेगा मालूम नहीं। थाईलैंड में ना अपना राइडिंग गियर देंगे ना धुलवाने को,
हाँ
क्योंकि थाईलैंड में ही चांस मिलेगा। जाने दे भाई। देख खड़ा कर दिया ना वापस था। हाँ मिट्टी निकलने वाली है।
हाँ
और लॉन्ड्री वाला बोलेगा साला कमीने लोग किधर से क्या करवा के ला रहे हो। ओके सो वी हैव एंटर्ड इम्फाल। क्वाइट अ गुड राइड, I would say. Fantastic ride. Roads are bad, but the bikes are good. Trust me, because of these bikes, we didn't feel anything. है ना डीजे?
हाँ अरे
वो जो है बाइक
BMW है।
BMW है। And the tires are also good. तेरा Karoo 3, mine is Hydranoff K60. But trust me, the tires also make a difference. If you have a 50-50 tires, it's gonna help you a lot. But trust me, the ride was excellent. Excellent. We took around, say it's 10 o'clock right now. We started at 6, 4 hours for 146 kilometers. I think we have done a very good job. 4 hours. Google was saying 5.5 hours, but we did it in 4 hours. I think that's very, very, very good timing. हमको जाने को दो, अभी होटल ढूंढने का है। भाई साहब बाजू में लगा के GPS गूगल आंटी को पूछूं क्या?
अभी चल ना, अभी एंटर तो है पूरा।
अभी क्या? Hey, Geet! Hey, great to see you, man. Great to see you. Huh. Okay. Yeah, we were partying there. Okay, with me is Srini.
Hi.
And this is Geet,
Hi.
my very good friend. And Vineet.
Hi.
These were the guys who had helped me when we were going to Singapore, right? Right. So they are here to host us. Road was horrible, boss. लग गई थी हमारी, लेकिन चलता है।
Kohima Imphal was a little better.
हाँ, कोहिमा इम्फाल was a little better.
I wouldn't say
But
good.
कोहिमा दिमापुर was horrible. Anyways, 146. But we did 4 घंटा. We did well. Hello.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to Classic.
Thank you. Wow, nice reception. Thank you.
Picture तो बनता है
हाँ,
इन लोग के साथ।
इन लोग के साथ बनता है। 1 मिनट। नहीं, मणिपुरी वेजिटेरियन खाना।
दिस इज बॉयल बेस्ड, क्योंकि मणिपुर में तो बॉयल बेस्ड बोले तो एगी आइटम को बॉयल करता है, सबको पूरा मिक्स नहीं करता। दिस इज सलाद।
Okay.
Actually this is the mixed vegetable, जैसे गोभी भी है, but लेकिन घर में तो हम फिश मछली फिश डाल के बनाता है, लेकिन हमारे होटल में ये ग्राम फ्लोर है, बेसन है, बेसन को रोस्टेड बेसन और सिसमी, ब्लैक सिसमी, इसको रोस्टेड करके मैशिंग करता है. And this is maroi toba. We call it maroi toba. That's a garlic chop hooker chef system.
Okay.
We're preparing with that garlic chop hooker chef. And this is a pumpkin nuts. This is also one of the local dishes. And this is one of the delicious dry preparations. We call it kangou.
Okay.
This is the eggplant and groundnuts there.
Okay.
And we only fry.
Okay.
And this is also one of the famous for Manipuri. This is iromba. That means one of the chutney for local chutneys.
Okay.
Actually, we put fermented fish in our village, but in our hotels, according to your request, we don't put the fish here.
Okay, this is so because it's vegetarian, so no fish is there.
Yes, right.
Okay, fantastic.
I have a suggestion to you, sir. This is one of the chutney. Please take care for this chutney. It's very spicy. Sir.
Okay.
Very spicy. So
Very spicy.
Little bit.
Okay.
And this is called Mairumbi Thongba in our language. But this is one of the dals.
Dal, okay.
And this is paneer.
Paneer, okay.
Paneer that we also call it chana.
Okay, chana.
Paneer. And this is Manipuri preparation. This is bara thongba. That means dumplings. This is the besan.
Okay, pakora.
Sorry, pakora thongba.
Okay.
And we are cooking with gravy, sir.
Okay.
And this is that utti. There's that sodium bicarbonate there and green peas.
Okay, fantastic.
And this is the desserts.
These are the sweet dish.
Sweet dishes, and this is a fruit, and this is cream.
Okay.
Moroccan cream, sir.
Okay.
This is a black rice.
Okay.
So enjoy, sir.
Thank you very much. This is pure Manipuri vegetarian converted dish. Actually, it's a non-veg dish, but with special request from Geet, they made it a vegetarian because I'm a vegetarian. So thank you very much. So I'm so full right now, and you can see सब खत्म हो गया. And this is the chef. Sir, lovely food. Your good name, sir?
Kajal Singh.
Okay. You have prepared such a beautiful meal, authentic Manipuri dish. Thank you very much. DJ भाई अभी भी चल रहे हो?
Thank you very much.
ना सब लोग थैंक यू बोले हैं. चल रहे थैंक यू बोल.
Thank you.
मल्लू भाई अभी भी बोलता हूँ हाथ से खा ले.
नहीं भाई
देखो टेस्ट का कुछ आधा तो
मतलब वो समझाओ तो समझेगा.
ये साले डुकाटी वाले वही अंग्रेज बनेंगे जबरदस्ती के. All of you must be wondering what is Srini doing here. So Srini basically has got me this bag which I had ordered for, but it didn't make it and I had to leave it some temporary bag. You got it for me. That's why he's here, and there are certain things I left behind which I told him to get it for me. So that's why he's here in Imphal, and this is our last day in India. Tomorrow Myanmar. Bikes performed brilliant in spite of dirty roads, bad roads. Bikes performed excellent. The tires are excellent. I can talk about the Hydenov because I was riding on a Hydenov K60 and DJ was riding in Karoo 3, right? You can follow us on Instagram, One World One Ride. That is where I will be uploading Insta stories. Vlogs will take some time. It depends on the connectivity of the internet. So if I get a connectivity of internet, then definitely I will upload. But Insta stories, yes, definitely check out. And if you like them, comment and say that you like them. That's it for now, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
One world, one ride.
हाँ दीजिए. रुक आराम. बैठा हुआ था?
नहीं, खड़ा था.
स्लिपरी है. 2, 3